Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable options trading on your Robinhood account to trade stock options, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your account settings. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Investing to access investment-related settings. Step 4. Look for options trading in the investing menu and tap on it. Step 5. Review the information about options trading, including the risks involved. Robinhood will explain what options are and how they work. Step 6. Tap Enable Options or Get Started to begin the application process. Step 7. Answer questions about your investment experience, knowledge of options trading, and financial situation. Step 8. Based on your answers, Robinhood will determine which level of options trading you qualify for, ranging from basic to advanced strategies. Step 9. Review and accept the options trading agreement. Once approved, you'll be able to view and trade options in the app. Start with simple strategies and ensure you understand the risks before trading. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.